What if just 5 smart gadgets could make your everyday life easier? In today's video, we're counting down 5 amazing Amazon products that combine innovation, convenience, and real-world usefulness. From an AI-powered bird feeder, a self-cleaning water bottle, to a reusable smart notebook, a self-heating coffee mug, and a mosquito repeller. Each product is designed to solve a common everyday problem. Stay until the end, because the final gadget might be the one you'll want to buy first.
The Bird Buddy Pro Solar Smart Bird Feeder with camera transforms traditional bird feeding into an interactive wildlife experience. Equipped with a powerful 5-megapixel camera, it captures stunning photos and crisp 2K HD videos of every bird that visits your garden. Its built-in AI can identify over 1,000 bird species, send real-time notifications to your smartphone, and even provide interesting facts about each visitor. The included solar roof continuously charges the camera, reducing the need for manual recharging. Slow-motion recording, HDR imaging, and close focus technology reveal incredible feather details that are difficult to see with the naked eye. Designed to withstand outdoor weather, this smart feeder is perfect for bird lovers, photographers, families, and anyone who wants to enjoy nature from home. It combines advanced technology with wildlife observation, making every bird visit educational, entertaining, and unforgettable.
The LARQ bottle PureVis 17-ounce is more than an ordinary reusable water bottle. It's a smart hydration companion designed for modern lifestyles. Using advanced UVC LED technology, it automatically cleans both the water and the bottle's interior, helping reduce odor-causing bacteria with the touch of a button. The double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, making it perfect for work, travel, the gym, or outdoor adventures. Its rechargeable battery lasts for weeks on a single charge, while the sleek, award-winning Monaco blue design combines elegance with durability. Lightweight, leak-resistant, and environmentally friendly, the LARQ bottle PureVis helps you stay hydrated with cleaner water while reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking convenience, innovation, and a healthier everyday routine. The Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook is an innovative notebook designed to combine the simplicity of handwriting with the convenience of digital organization. Featuring premium dot-grid pages, it is perfect for taking notes, sketching ideas, planning projects, or journaling at school, work, or home. Simply write using a compatible erasable pen, scan your pages with the Rocketbook app, and instantly upload your notes to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Evernote. Once your notes are safely stored, wipe the pages clean with a damp microfiber cloth and reuse the notebook again and again. The letter size 8.5 by 11-inch format offers plenty of writing space, while the durable premium cover ensures long-lasting use. Environmentally friendly and highly practical, the Rocketbook Core helps reduce paper waste while keeping your important notes organized, searchable, and accessible from anywhere, making it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and creative thinkers.
The Next Mug temperature-controlled self-heating coffee mug is designed for anyone who enjoys hot coffee or tea without constantly reheating it. Unlike ordinary insulated mugs, Next Mug actively maintains your preferred drinking temperature, allowing every sip to stay warm from the first to the last. With 3 simple temperature settings, warm, hot, and piping hot, you can easily choose the level that suits your taste. Its built-in rechargeable battery provides hours of consistent heat, while the elegant ceramic matte finish and spill-resistant lid make it perfect for home, the office, or remote work. The 14-ounce capacity is ideal for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, and the intuitive one-button control makes operation effortless. Combining modern technology with premium craftsmanship, the Next Mug delivers a comfortable and enjoyable drinking experience, making it an excellent everyday companion for busy professionals, students, and coffee lovers who never want their favorite beverage to go cold.
The Thermacell E-Zone Guard Patio Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller offers an effective and convenient way to enjoy the outdoors without the annoyance of mosquitoes. Instead of relying on messy bug sprays or lotions, this portable device creates a scientifically tested protection zone of up to 20 feet, helping keep mosquitoes away while you relax on your patio, garden, balcony, or campsite. Its rechargeable battery provides up to 5.5 hours of continuous operation, while the included refill lasts for up to 12 hours of mosquito protection. The compact, modern design is easy to carry and requires no open flame, smoke, or strong odors. Because it is DEET-free, it provides a comfortable alternative to traditional insect repellents. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, enjoying an evening outdoors, or camping with family, the Thermacell E-Zone Guard delivers reliable, hassle-free mosquito protection, so you can spend more time enjoying nature and less time swatting insects. Those were 5 of the smartest and most useful Amazon gadgets that can make everyday life easier, more comfortable, and a lot more enjoyable. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the best Amazon products and trending tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing gadgets you won't want to miss.